Plectrurus perrotetii, commonly known as Perrotetii tree snake or the slender tree snake, is a fascinating and rare species found primarily in the forests of the Western Ghats in India. Known for its strikingly slender body and arboreal nature, this non-venomous snake stands out due to its exceptional adaptations to life in the trees. Despite its elusive nature and relatively limited distribution, the Plectrurus perrotetii offers valuable insights into the biodiversity of India's forests and the remarkable ways in which species adapt to their environments. Physical characteristics and adaptations. The Plectrurus perrotetii is a relatively small and slender snake, typically growing to lengths of 45 to 70 centimeters. This snake's long, thin body makes it particularly well suited to an arboreal, tree-dwelling lifestyle. Its coloration is generally olive brown or light green, which provides effective camouflage in the dense, leafy canopies of the forests it inhabits. The dorsal surface often has darker, irregular markings or patterns that further enhance its ability to blend in with the surrounding vegetation, making it hard for both predators and prey to spot. The most distinctive feature of this species is its highly slender build, which allows it to move with remarkable agility through the trees. The body is cylindrical and smooth, with small, keeled scales that add to its streamlined appearance. Unlike many other snakes, the Plectrurus perrotetii has relatively small eyes, which are adapted for low-light conditions. This adaptation is indicative of its primarily nocturnal or crepuscular lifestyle. Its small head, which tapers slightly, is another feature that supports its arboreal habits, helping the snake navigate through dense branches and foliage without being impeded. The snake's tail is long and prehensile, aiding in its ability to grasp and anchor itself to branches while navigating the treetops. This tail, combined with its slender body, allows the snake to move fluidly through the trees in search of food and shelter. The Plectrurus perrotetii's physical form is a testament to the efficiency with which species evolve to fill a particular ecological niche, in this case, that of an agile tree-dwelling predator. Diet and feeding behavior. As an arboreal predator, the Plectrurus perrotetii primarily feeds on small vertebrates, including lizards, birds, and their eggs, as well as insects and other invertebrates that occupy the same habitat. The snake is not known to constrict its prey but relies on its speed and precision to capture small animals. The slender build of the snake allows it to strike quickly, using its sharp teeth to hold onto its prey. It is particularly skilled at hunting small lizards, which make up a significant portion of its diet. The snake's ability to move effortlessly through branches and foliage gives it an advantage when stalking prey that also inhabits the trees. The Plectrurus perrotetii is a relatively quiet and secretive hunter, often remaining still for long periods to avoid detection by both predators and prey. Its primary method of hunting appears to involve waiting patiently and striking when a potential meal passes within striking distance. Its small size and agility enable it to navigate through the dense underbrush and canopy with ease, where it can access food sources that other, more cumbersome predators may struggle to reach. Behavior and habitat. The Plectrurus perrotetii is primarily nocturnal, emerging at dusk to forage and hunt, and spending the daytime hours hidden within the branches and leaves of the forest canopy. Its arboreal nature means it is rarely found on the forest floor, preferring to stay high in the trees, where it can avoid most ground-based predators. This behavior also allows the snake to hunt its primary prey, which is often found in the treetops, such as small lizards and birds. This species inhabits the tropical and subtropical forests of the Western Ghats, an area known for its rich biodiversity. These forests provide the perfect environment for the Plectrurus perrotetii, with dense vegetation offering both protection from predators and abundant hunting opportunities. The Western Ghats are characterized by a mix of evergreen and semi-evergreen forests, with high humidity and a temperate climate, ideal conditions for this elusive species. The snake's elusive nature makes it difficult to study in the wild. Due to its preference for the canopy and its nocturnal habits, it is rarely seen by humans. Its population is believed to be sparse, and its distribution is confined to specific regions within the Western Ghats. The limited range of this species makes it vulnerable to habitat loss caused by deforestation and human encroachment. Reproduction and conservation status. The reproductive habits of the Plectrurus perrotetii are not well documented, but like most snakes, it is likely to lay eggs in a hidden location, away from the reach of predators. The eggs hatch after an incubation period, and the young snakes are fully formed and able to hunt small prey shortly after birth. As the snake's habitat is limited and under threat from deforestation, the population of Plectrurus perrotetii is believed to be declining in certain areas, though the species is not currently listed as endangered. However, further conservation efforts are needed to protect the forest habitats that this species relies on for survival. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Plectrurus perrotetii is a remarkable species of snake that exemplifies the adaptability and diversity of life in India's Western Ghats. Its slender body, prehensile tail, and arboreal lifestyle make it a master of its environment, and its role as a predator of small vertebrates and invertebrates helps maintain the ecological balance of the forests it inhabits. Though elusive and rare, the Plectrurus perrotetii is an important part of the biodiversity of the Western Ghats, and efforts to conserve its habitat will be crucial for ensuring the survival of this unique and fascinating snake species.